This video is sponsored by La Jolie Muse, who provided me with this tall 20-inch indoor-outdoor planter. This planter is made from recycled plastics and has an attractive pebbled finish. Because it's plastic, it's lightweight and costs considerably less than a ceramic planter of this size would cost you. It comes with pre-drilled drainage holes, which is always a plus, and it's stylish enough to use indoors, yet sturdy enough for outdoor use. So if you're in the market for some sturdy and stylish planters, check out the La Jolie line of planters using the link in the description box below. Thank you very much, La Jolie, for this planter. Now let's get on to the video.
Hi, I'm Peggy. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you and yours are well. Today I'm headed out to Walmart. I have gotten word that they have some plants that they don't usually carry in stock. So I wanted to check it out and see what they have. I'm not going to do a full tour, but I will show you anything I find that they don't normally carry. So let's get going.
I just made it into the garden center and already I'm finding plants that I've never seen here before. Look at this watermelon peperomia. These are really big and they're only $6.97. Never seen them in here before. They're a little waterlogged because we've had a rainstorm, but look at these Tanike. Never seen them in here before. Very nice, very nice. They have several different Ficus elasticas in here. And there's the burgundy, and look over here. They actually have the Ficus Audrey. Never seen that, and I don't think I've ever seen that in any of the big box stores around here. So a very nice find as well. What is this over here? Are you kidding me? Look at this Monstera adansonii. Never seen these in a big box store. And look at that price, excellent. These grow really nice. If I didn't already have one, I would definitely buy this. If you find these and you don't have one, go ahead and pick it up. They're very nice growing. I'm going to show you what mine looks like. This was started from a small plant like the ones that you just saw in the Walmart clip. And I put it on a pole. It's been growing well ever since. But if you're into fenestration and you want a plant that's really going to grow for you, go ahead and get that. If you come across it in the Walmart, all the more better. That's a great price. So definitely some things I've never seen in here before. It looks like a cotton candy bromeliad. And look at these Ficus Audrey. I didn't give you the price on those. So they are $12. So the Ficus plants, they are all $12, which is a great deal, especially for the ones that are hard to find. And like I said, they're kind of temperamental to grow. Here's my Tanike. If you're giving up on Ficus, maybe this will be a good chance to try again. I find that mine dropped all the leaves because I didn't have it in front of a window. Now that I have it in front of the window, this thing's growing no problem. So if you see one at Walmart at that price, it's worth giving it another try. And look at all these Syngoniums over here for $7. That's an excellent price. And they're very pretty. Nice full pots once again. Never seen those here. And look at the size of these Monstera deliciosas. How much are they? Let's see. $21 for a nice size Monstera deliciosa with mature fenestrated leaves. That's a good price. In fact, that's better than what I've been seeing at, say, Lowe's and Home Depot for a plant this size. So definitely another good deal. They do tend to carry these on a regular basis though. And over here, some Aglaonema. These are your Costa Farms plants, your trending tropicals. And like I said, it's been raining, so these pots are kind of full of water. This one reminds me of an Aglaonema that I have. I only have one. It's White in Paradise. So if you're not really familiar with Aglaonema. This is what mine looks like. It's grown quite a bit. I've had it for like a year. You see the white stems, the white petioles. That's what got me about this plant. I'm finding that they're very easy to grow. Just water them. I water mine a couple times a month and it's happy in indirect light. And they have some of the Rhaphidophora hayi. Yeah, these look like there's some issues. There's usually 2 per pot, so we're going to keep on moving from these. And, oh, they have some nice looking begonias. And these are not in the ceramic pots, but they are also from Costa Farms. And you saw the price on there, right? So much cheaper than the ones in the ceramic pot, so, but nice looking plants, nice deal. Let's just make sure we're not missing anything over here. Look at this euphorbia for $16. Some aloe, fiddly fig. Yeah, these look like more of the plants that you're used to seeing here, although this Dracaena is really nice looking. How much is that? Okay, so $11 for a nice sized Dracaena. Like that. And, small Aglaonema for $10. The prices on these plants are excellent, but in a bird's nest fern, these are more, I've been seeing more of these here, so I don't know if these are something that they're carrying regularly or not. Of course, I have to check out the clearance section, and if you saw my recent clearance video, you know what I picked up from over here. Look at all these trending tropicals begonias. Of course, I had to pick one up. I picked one up, and in no time, it looked like this. All I did was let it dry out, set it outside in my screen room. I keep the soil somewhat moist, and it's doing just fine. So if you can catch these plants on clearance, I definitely say if you don't know how to care for begonias and you find them on clearance, go ahead and grab them. So now I can take these clearance prices off of my pot, and now that I've finished the video. So that's about it for my Walmart trip. They did have some goodies in there. Check out your Walmart garden center. No, they aren't giving me anything for saying this, but yeah, definitely some good plants. Thanks for stopping by. Take care. Hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.